Hello dear students, how are you all? In this video I'm going to explain more of numeracy problem from 2015 year 3. Okay, take a look. So this is problem 11. This grid shows a pattern. Each row has a different shape. So this question is basically about different patterns. Each column has different shading. Some shapes are missing. See, some of the shapes are missing. Okay, which shape is missing from the bottom right corner of this grid? I'm again pointing out that you make sure that you read the question carefully, and for the pattern question make sure you look at the patterns carefully. So if it is a grid, you should be checking row wise, column wise, both ways. In this question you need to find the missing pattern. Here, see, there is a question mark. You need to find this one. As we observe, see, these are hexagonal shapes, these are rhombuses. Okay, this row is for triangles. Then you have trapezium. This shape is trapezium. And then column wise, see, they are blank, then they are stripes, these are shaded with black with white dots, and then these are with black dots. So I think some white with black dots will go, and then it has to be a trapezium, isn't it? So the trapezium shape is this, and it goes with the color matching as well. So C for cat is the reasonable answer. Okay, we should move on to the next question really quick. Then question 12. Bella invited some friends to her birthday party. 8 friends came to her party, but 5 friends could not come. How many friends did Bella invite? So how many friends did Bella invite? Some friends came, some could not come. So she actually invited 8 plus 5. Okay, 8 plus 5 is 13. She must have invited 13 friends. Out of 13, 8 could come and 5 could not come. Okay, so D for dog is the correct answer. Some kids, they make a mistake, they'll say, oh, only 8 came, so 8 should be the answer. 8 is not the answer. She actually invited 13 of her friends, and then some friends came and some could not come. Okay, let's move on to the next question. 13. 4 children have some stickers. So these are the stickers on a chart. So friends are Ben, Sue, Harry, Jill. Okay, Harry has more stickers than Ben, but fewer stickers than Jill. Fewer means less. Okay, fewer means less. So let's see, Ben has 2 stickers and Jill has 4 stickers, and they said Harry has more than Ben. It should be more than 2 but less than Jill. So more than 2 and less than 4 is 3, isn't it? 3 is more than 2 and less than 4. So the reasonable answer has to be 3. Okay, let's move on. Question 14. This wooden doll is made from different 3D shapes. You can see this one is ball shape. Ball shape is called sphere. Then you have this cuboid. You see, rectangular prism or cuboid. So your question is, which one of these is most like the shape of the head? What is the shape of the head? It's ball shape. Okay, so it's not a circle. Ball is not flat that you will say it's a circle. It's a spherical shape. Okay, the head is sphere. Do not mistake with the head. It's not flat. Solid ball is a sphere. Okay, it's a 3D shape. Okay, all right. Question 15. Terry had $18. She spent $3 each day. How many days did it take for Terry to spend all her money? So she's spending $3 each day. So she spent out of 18, she started with $18. She spent $3. Okay, so she was left with $15. So 1 day. Then out of $15, she spent another $3. That should be $12, which makes it 2 days. Then out of $12, she spent another $3. She was left with $9. 3 days. Getting? Then out of 9, she must have spent 3 more, which is 6. Then out of 6, so that makes it 4 days. Then out of 6, she must have spent another $3. Okay, let me just write more clearly here. Okay, so she started with $18. Take away $3. She's spending means she's minusing money, and we need to see how many days will the money last. So that means how many $3 can go into 18. So which is repeated subtraction. Okay, like this. $12 take away $3 is $9. She still has some money left. Take away $3 again, so which is $6 out of $6. $3 left, then she was left with $3. Take away $3 is $0. Okay, so 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days. So her money will last for 6 days. Okay, how many days will it take to spend all her money? It will take 6 days. Okay, spending money is a division problem or repeated subtraction problem. So you should be minusing repeatedly, or there is a shortcut. You see, this is repeated subtraction, and repeated subtraction is division. So if you know division, see 18 divided by 3 is 6. What's 18 divided by 3? Another way to do repeated subtraction is division. So in times table 3, at what place 18 appears? 3 times 6 is 18, so 6 is the answer. Okay, I hope this point is clear. Okay, question 16. A shed has a window that looks like this from the inside. So this window is from the inside. What does the window look like from the outside? Again, remember, when you look from outside inside, you actually see the reflection of the transparent window. So if I see the reflection, how do you draw reflection? See, this is the reflection of this window. This is the reflection of this window. So it's somewhat, okay, don't mind the size. So it actually looks like this. Reflected image. Reflected, okay, reflection. Alright. So A for apple is the correct answer. Others, though, they don't have. See, it should be this way. They are showing this way, and they are flipped. So they don't make sense. Now question 17. Jason's birthday is on the 29th of January. His sister's birthday is 5 days later. Okay. So the question is, which day of the week was his sister's birthday in 2014? So this is 2014 calendar January. And Jason's birthday was on 29th of January, 29th January, which was Wednesday. Okay, 29th January is Wednesday. So this is how we read calendar. Then which day of this week was his sister's birthday? And her sister's birthday is 5 days later. Okay, so we need to count forward 5 times because his sister's birthday is 5 days later. So his birthday is on Wednesday, so counting forward 5 times. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So Monday. Okay, counting forward 5 days will give you your answer. Yeah. Now question 18. Tara's book has 96 pages. She has already read 58 pages. How many pages have not been read by Tara? So the book totally had 96 pages. Okay, so assume that this is 96 and out, so 0 to 96 pages of the book. You know, the book had 96 pages. She has already read 58 pages. So she started from page 1 and she read and she read almost 58 pages. Okay, so how many pages have not been read by Tara is the difference of these numbers, isn't it? It's the gap. She needs to read more pages. How many? 96 take away 58. So what's 96 take away 58? For that you should borrow and subtract. Okay, doing column subtraction because 6 is less than 8. 6 is less than 8, so we'll borrow. That will be 16 and we'll count back. 9 take away 1 is 8. So 16 take away 8 is 8. 8 take away 5 is 3. So the answer is 38. This. Okay, so number of pages that she has to read more is 38, or how many pages have not been read is 38. Okay, now question 19. How many faces does this prism have? So let's see how do you count faces easily. Is this way. See, this is the front is face 1. Okay, the side face, there has to be a face on this side. This one is a solid, so that's face 2. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6. At the bottom has to be 7, and at the back it's face 8. Okay, so there are total 8 faces. You see how? Front, back, top, bottom, sideways, and then there are more. Don't forget or miss any of the face. Alright, easy. Let's do one more question. What time, so question 20, what time is shown on this clock? 3:45. Do not confuse 3:45 with past or something. It's basically 3:45. Okay, 3:45. Because 1 hour is 60 minutes long. Yeah, and 45 plus 15 is 60. So it's 15 minutes left to be next hour, and the next hour is 4 o'clock. Okay, so the time difference between 3:45 and 4 o'clock is a quarter only, 15 minutes distance. So that's why we say it's 3:45. 3:45. Okay, I hope this explanation helped. In case you still have any doubt, we can always discuss. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.